Hey, what's up guys, my name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena and today we have just received a new box by OnePlus with a new phone, so let's unbox it, see what's inside and what this phone is all about in our quick unboxing. So let's get started. First we have to take the cover off and it takes a bit of effort, a second or two. As you can see, I'm struggling here. Just give me a second and I should finally be able to take the cover off, and here's what it looks like. The OnePlus 5T in a brand new lava red color version. Now the color is basically the only thing that's different about this OnePlus 5T limited version. Usually the OnePlus 5T is sold in midnight black, and this one, the lava red, is a limited edition sold as a higher end model with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. As you can see here, you also get a free case, a free silicone see-through case that looks good and should be able to protect your phone in those very first days, and you can find a better case later on if you prefer so. We also see some user manuals, a SIM ejector tool, and inside the box is a signature red USB-C to USB-A cable with a protective cover. As you can see, we're taking it off here. It's a pretty lengthy cable, and this is one cable that is required for the proprietary dash charge technology, charging technology by OnePlus. And here's what the wall charger looks like, and here we have the European version. And here's the phone itself, the OnePlus 5T in lava red, and it features a nearly bezel-less edge-to-edge screen, a 6-inch AMOLED display. So let's set this phone up and see what it's all about, and we'll tell you more about this phone as we proceed. Here, as it's being set up, it asks you for your face data. It uses a quick new face unlock technology, but it also has a fingerprint scanner on the back, and it seems to move rather quickly. This is something great about OnePlus phones. They perform just so well in daily tasks. And on the back you can see the ceramic fingerprint scanner looks really good. It's also red like the rest of the phone. Here's the phone in the case, the bottom part of the phone where you have a USB-C charging port, a headphone jack thankfully. On the side you have the mute switch, or as OnePlus calls it, the alert slider, which is comes in handy and is rarely found on Android phones, so we like having it. And there is a pre-applied screen protector, which is another nice feature. It's a basic screen protector, it's not made of glass, but it still gets the job done. And here's how the OnePlus 5T in lava red looks when compared to the midnight black version and another version that used to be sold for a while, the Sandstone White version. And so that's it guys, a quick unboxing and first look at the OnePlus 5T in lava red. Let's know if you like this phone, and would you buy it as a Valentine's Day's gift, or would you buy it for yourself? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.